I'm Jack Weaver, and I own Acme Chop Shop and Custom Built Cars. About 7 years ago, I started noticing a lack of help in this industry for building and restoring custom cars or hot rods and doing restorations and whatnot. And I kind of started paying attention to it all, and I seen that there was a couple schools out there teaching it whatnot, but they were teaching kind of a different area, or a bunch of different things, in different programs or whatnot, And as time progressed, I seen how hard it was to find people to hire and to get the work done. There was not very many people out there that know how to do this, And you got guys come in that really good at what they do, and then they got to move, or they just decide not to do it anymore, whatever the case may be. So it's really hard to have a business, because there's nobody out there that knows how to do it. So you're down to one or two guys, trying to knock out a bunch of work and whatnot. And that's why I started Custom Built Cars a couple years ago. I started doing workshops and teaching kids and stuff that would come into my shop and say, hey, I need a job, or are you guys hiring right now? Like, what kind of experience do you got? And the kids would be like, oh, I don't have any, but I'll start at the bottom, I'll work my way up, and unfortunately, you can't hire everybody, and you can only have so many people, working their way up from the bottom, and so I decided, what, how about you come in on the weekend, let's, see if we can start teaching you something, doing this, doing that, and it kind of evolved from there. And so I started, putting together different programs and little workshops, teaching different angles and whatnot, And so I was having kids work for me, later on after, they kind of picked it up, I'm like, well, this kid will be an asset here, so I'd hire him, and whether they stayed around or not, I got a couple guys still working for me that have started from the ground up and worked their way through it. But it gives people a skill set to go out there and go to another shop if they want to move or whatever, if they're from here and they want to go to work here, or if they want to, come to our program from another state or whatever. I hear of people all over the United States all the time. I can't find good help. I can't find anybody that knows how to do this, And I think when people say I can't find good help, I don't think it's a matter of good help. I just think that you can't find help, period, of people that know how to do it, that have the skill set to do it. So what we do here is try to, show the kids and whatnot the basics, essentials, the ground, fundamentals to do this with. That way they can go out to a shop, and when they walk in the door, hey, I'm looking for a job, and the first thing they say is, what kind of experience do you got? Well, I did a workshop over at Acme or Custom Built Cars, Jack, he owns Acme, and whatnot. And I, think that me as a shop owner, I'm gonna look at that a lot more serious than somebody that comes in with no experience at all, And this type of stuff, you pick it up pretty quick. You just got to be able to get in there and get hands on and get dirty and do it and learn it. Have somebody teaching you how to do it. Will you learn it all in 5 months? No. Nobody's gonna learn that much in 5 months, but you'll learn enough to where you can get a job, where you can go to a shop and say, hey, I can do this, I can do that, I can strip a car, I can make little patch panels for rust or whatever, I can block, I've sprayed some paint, Having that skill set is a lot better than having none. And I've talked to shop owners, all around the nation, and I say, hey, what do you think about me, showing you a kid that knows how to do this? They love it. That's what they want. It takes 100 years. Longer than you can live to know it all. You can't learn it all. But it gives you a good foot in the door, and people can take this knowledge that they learn here and then go out and actually get somewhere and do something. And if I'm not hiring, I hear people around that are, and I can point them in that direction, and I will give them my recommendation, of being a good hand and whatnot, and if they're lacking in something, I stay late with them and make sure that they pick it up, that they figure out the tricks of it, and what you do. And that way they can go to somebody else's shop and make them a good hand. And that's what I really strive for, and that's why I do what I do, because I want this to carry on. I want shops to be open for a long time, people to be able to get their cars restored in a reasonable amount of time instead of having to be on a 1-year waiting list or a 5-year waiting list to get their car in there. It kind of sucks, but this day and age, that's what it's getting down to, because there's nobody out there that knows how to do it.